What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Ethereum, the status of the market, and why I am so excited for 2025. And I believe, if my thesis is correct, we have a long ways to go and a lot of upside potential. If you are new around here, click that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video. Let's get it out to more people, and comment down below. Are you excited for this year's cryptocurrency market? Let's go ahead and get right into it. We already know the story of Ethereum. I'm looking at the daily chart here, and honestly, Ethereum has a lot of people upset. We know back in 2021, during that huge bull market, Ethereum hit highs of almost $5,000 per Ethereum coin. And since then, it has been this ridiculous story of just chop, chop, chop. Now, Ethereum is positioned in a very, very unique way. It follows Bitcoin quite closely in that whenever we have bullish sentiment in cryptocurrency, we have bullish sentiment in Bitcoin, Ethereum tends to do well. On the flip side, Ethereum is not as big as Bitcoin. It doesn't have that store of value that Bitcoin has. Instead, Ethereum is blockchain technology that people can build on. Where is the narrative right now? Is the narrative all about building on the blockchain and how blockchain is the future of finance? Or is it that Bitcoin is digital gold and it has store of value? I think it's the latter, in that people are excited about Bitcoin. Hedge funds, ETFs, governments are excited about Bitcoin because it has that store of value. Ethereum is not necessarily like that. Ethereum is more building on the blockchain. Some people might ask, well, look at Solana. Solana is performing very well. I completely agree. Solana has been doing extremely well, but why? It is because right now there is a meme coin frenzy on Solana. So a lot of retail investors are starting to come in. They're interested in Solana because there's meme coin frenzy on Solana. So the question becomes, what is going to happen to Ethereum in the short and medium term? I think Q1, maybe early Q2, Ethereum is going to have a ridiculous rally that nobody is going to see coming. I think the narrative is going to switch. Right now, we see big hedge funds, ETFs, even the president of the United States through World Liberty Finance accumulating Ethereum, and they have been silent about it. But I think our time is coming in that there's going to be a narrative shift from store of value, Bitcoin, to building on the blockchain, Ethereum. If we are able to weather the storm between now and then, I think we are going to be greatly rewarded. Obviously, guys, this is not financial advice. Please go out and do your own research before investing in anything I talk about on my channel. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. So that is my thesis. That is why I think Ethereum is lagging behind, because it's in this limbo. It doesn't really know what it is quite yet. It does have institutional backing, but it doesn't have that meme coin frenzy appeal that Solana currently has. Now, we had that back in 2021 because Solana was in its infancy. So there wasn't a lot of interest in Solana. The blockchain did have a lot of problems in that it went offline. People weren't that interested. Those problems have since been resolved. So you're seeing a lot of interest in Solana, and that is taking away market share from Ethereum. There are a couple of other layer ones that are also doing quite well, and I think it's because of that same type of case. When it comes to Ethereum, once that narrative does change, we will see an absolute boom in the price. And alongside of that, we know that Ethereum is our barometer, the way that we measure whether or not the bull market, the altcoin season, is really starting to kick off. My thesis is that during the next couple of months, we will see that narrative change. And I do think that in the short to medium term, Ethereum is going to blow past the intra-year highs. I guess it was late last year where it hit 4,100. And I think it'll even blow past all-time highs and reach a price of $5,000 per Ethereum. There is a lot of reasons to be bullish on Ethereum, but of course we do have to keep in mind that there are some headwinds when it comes to the price action of Ethereum. Namely, the FOMC is meeting next week. Right now, the betting markets are continuing to say that the FOMC, Jerome Powell, the Fed, is only going to cut rates one time this year. I think that's a little low. I think we will get more than one rate cut and transition from quantitative tightening to quantitative easing. This is all to say that the macroeconomic environment is going to be favorable for an Ethereum run. Now, all things considered, we have to hedge, and of course, your own risk tolerance is up to you. But that is my thesis. I think we are going to continue to see bullish price action when it comes to cryptocurrency in general. I think the headwinds that we've been dealing with when it comes to the FOMC and the Fed are going to be cleared up and actually be turned into tailwinds that are going to be boosting our price. And I think the narrative change is coming where people are going to start talking about building on the blockchain, which is going to be extremely bullish for Ethereum. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm out the scene, folks. Peace.